And now let's get into the pure stock big block class. In the near lane, Brian Thomas's 68 HEMI Roadrunner driven by Kent Ritter. In the far lane, Lawrence Conley's 70 GSX Stage 1. Ritter in the Roadrunner, Conley in the yellow GSX. Conley's red light start gives Ritter the win, 13-13, 79.36 to 13-66, 101.35. In the near lane, John Chamberlain's awesome 70 Grand Sport 455 Stage 1. In the far lane, Kenny Asbury's 64 Plymouth 426 Street Ram Automatic. Chamberlain rips a 1291 104.89 to a 1383 102.97. In the near lane, Norman Deals 71 Grand Sport 455 automatic. In the far lane, Danny Carroll 68 Roadrunner 440 automatic. And Carroll cuts the light too close and fouls. Deal takes the automatic win, 1284 105.88 to 1361 99.55. In the near lane, Paul Suloff, 69 Roadrunner, HEMI automatic. In the far lane, David Bunn in a 70 Chevelle SS 454 automatic. Bunn takes the win, 1334 102.5 to an identical 1334 103.44. Starting line reaction time wins it for the Chevy. In the near lane, Tommy Edwards, 70 Grand Sport 455 Stage 1. In the far lane, David Bunn in a 70 Chevelle SS 454 automatic. Edwards rips a 1296 96.35 to 1321 103.68. Now round 3 of stock big block. In the near lane, John Chamberlain, 70 Grand Sport 455 automatic. In the far lane, Norman Deals, 71 Grand Sport automatic. Chamberlain wins 1258 107.9 to 1268 107.14. Kent Ritter takes the Brian Thomas Roadrunner on an easy by run. John Chamberlain's Big Bad Grand Sport takes a solo by run and blazes all out toward the big end. Chamberlain shows how a by run should be done and rips through a 1247 108.17.